Welcome to Smart Money Mindset, brought to you by Dirocco Capital Automation. I am your host, Christopher, and in today's episode, we're going to be diving into the world of day trading and exploring the importance of mindset. Day trading is not just about technical analysis and financial strategy. It's about how you approach the markets mentally. Successful traders understand that mindset plays a critical role in their journey to consistent profitability. So, what qualities and attributes do successful traders possess? Well, first and foremost, they're disciplined. They understand the significance of following a well-defined trading plan and sticking to their rules, even when emotions may tempt them to deviate. Successful traders also have emotional control. They know how to manage fear and greed, which are the two most common emotions that can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. They have developed techniques to stay calm and rational in the face of market fluctuations. Another key quality of successful traders is resilience. Day trading can be challenging, with inevitable ups and downs. But those who are resilient bounce back from those losses, learn from their mistakes, and adapt their strategies to improve their future performance. Developing a successful trader's mindset is not something that happens overnight. It takes practice, self-reflection, and continuous learning. But with the right mindset, you can gain an edge in the markets and increase your chances of long-term success. In this podcast series, we'll dive into the various aspects of developing the right mindset for day trading. We'll explore emotional intelligence, patience, discipline, risk management, and cultivating a growth mindset. Each episode will provide practical tips and strategies that you could implement to enhance your trading mindset. So whether you're a beginner looking to embark on your trading journey or an experienced trader seeking to refine your mindset, the Smart Money Mindset podcast is here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining me in this introductory episode. Stay tuned for our next one, where we're going to dive into the importance of emotional intelligence in trading. Remember, success in day trading starts with the right mindset.